Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this 3-part series of Diva and what it's going to be used for. This is a very much uplifting trance synthesizer that you can use for so many sounds. We already did 2 videos and today we're going to check out how to make this bass line by 4 Strings and their track Take Me Away. This time we're going to be using this triple VCO oscillator and we're going to start as follows. We're going to set the range or the pitch 1 octave down over here, keep the waveform as it, put the volume all the way up. We're going to decrease the feedback just slightly. We're going to also keep the VCF ladder filter over here and change these envelopes into digital. For the envelope 1 we don't want any attack, we want heaps of decay. Put a sustain down and increase the release just a little bit. Let's put the volume of the oscillator 2 all the way down, increase the cutoff. Now change the modulation to be envelope 2 right here. And let's have a play, and as it plays I'm gonna play with the envelope. Nice at the start. Let's increase the volume a little bit so we can hear it a little bit better. Now it's very important that the bass line sounds stable. For that we need to come to the trimmers, and over here in the oscillator 1 we need to change the transient mode from analog to oscillator reset. We're gonna adjust it so it clicks nicely. About here sounds pretty nice to me. And now we need to add some sub bass to this. To use the sub in triple VCO we can use this triangle shape over here. So let's pull it down here and let's put the octave 2 octaves down. Let's put the volume all the way up. And now we need to do the same thing again with the oscillator reset. So we go to the trimmers and over here we're gonna choose about the same point. Nice. By the way guys, if you like this video so far, please give it a like, and while you edit, subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any future uploads. Now, the bass line in the original was obviously made using an analog synthesizer and some really clever multiband compression. Since we don't have a multiband compressor here and don't want to use anything from Ableton, I'm just gonna play with the phaser to get that very nice sound. We're gonna choose the type to stoned so it stays in a place. Put the rate all the way down, put the LFO phase all the way down, wet to about 50%, put it all the way stereo, because we want to have this super wide. We keep the feedback down and we're gonna be playing with the center and LFO phase. So let's play it, and let's play with the LFO phase and center. Actually, depth would be a nice one. That sounds pretty nice. Now in the original you can hear there's heaps of delay, so of course we're gonna have to add a delay. Now only thing I'm going to modify over here is just to remove the right to 3 notes. Increase its side volume a little bit. Add some high pass filter. Decrease the low pass filter. Decrease the feedback a little and the wow. Let's just raise the cutoff a tiny little bit. And how about we give it a kick so it actually sounds nice. That sounds pretty cool. By the way guys, this sound is included in my newest bank for Diva that I did together with my friend Jerry, aka Occult Frequencies. It's available now, so don't miss it out, and it includes the projects that we used for the demo inside. So go check it out on readyformasterclass.com right now. One thing though that we also need to do in here is to work with the velocity of the MIDI, because not all of the notes are actually sounding the same. So I'm just gonna highlight these couple of notes and pull the velocity a little bit more low. Same on this one. And then highlight all of these notes And over here in the randomized section, I'm just gonna type 5. Now they are all randomly placed for a little bit more, you know, that analog feel. And then we're gonna highlight all of them and raise it slightly higher. Too much. I'm guessing that this one is a little bit too low, and same with this one. Do them like this so they go a little bit higher. It's just about the feeling, you know, what you think it's supposed to sound. Now, if you want the sound to be like really nice, you can always go to your audio effects or use any multiband compressor. I like to use the multiband dynamics here, and I just pick the multiband compression just to give it a nice pump. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was educational and you learned how to make this amazing bass line. If you want to see how to make that pad and the trance sound lead like Ferry Corsten, check the links in the description. And that's really it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this series, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do any more series in the future. Don't forget that this bank is now available for everyone who wants to deep dive into Diva. There's also projects that we used for the demo sounds and previews, so you can just play around by yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again for the next one. Ciao. By the way, guys, if you're still watching, go check out my Patreon, because I already uploaded those free sounds there, and you can just play around with them and use them in your DAW. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.